So in short, what are the things that would help us remain steadfast when being tested by Allah Azza wa Jal? Number one, to know that this was decreed 50,000 years before Allah created the whole universe. If my son dies, I am content, because this is something Allah had written 50,000 years before creating the whole universe. Khalas, it's done. Your death hour is done. It can't be 1 minute early or 1 minute late. The accident I had while driving the car, predestined. So the belief in al-qadar is one of the 6 pillars of Iman. وَأَن تُؤْمِنَ بِالْقَدَرِ خَيْرِهِ وَشَرِّهِ. So to believe in qadar is the main cause of making you steadfast when you're tested. Number two, you don't have a choice. When you're tested, what are your choices? Either to bang your head on against the wall, or you remain patient and tolerant. Bang your head against the wall, nothing's going to change. Maybe there will be a dent in the wall, but nothing's going to change. Your calamity is going to remain. So you have no other choice but to say, Alhamdulillah. Look at our Prophet ﷺ. His son Ibrahim, he was deprived of all of his male sons until they called him Al-Abtar. You know the shortest surah of the Quran? Inna shani'aka huwa al-abtar. Shani'aka is the one who holds a grudge, who hates you, who calls you that you don't have any male offspring. Nobody's gonna carry your name, Muhammad. So the Prophet said, they are the one who will be cut from being mentioned. Nobody knows them. But the Prophet ﷺ's name is mentioned around the globe every minute. Every minute there is an adhan. So his name is always mentioned. So the Prophet ﷺ, when he was 61 or 62 years of age, was blessed by a baby boy. So happy. Oh, now I have my own son who will carry my name. Last night I was blessed with a baby boy, and I called him by the name of my father, Ibrahim. This is hadith. The boy was like 6 months old, 8 months old, and he dies. Devastation, total disaster. What does the Prophet say, alayhi salam? Al-qalbu yahzan, wal-aynu tadma' wa la naqulu illa ma yurdi ar-rabb, wa inna ala firaqika ya Ibrahim lamahzunun. The heart is saddened, the eyes weep, and we do not say except what pleases Allah, but by Allah we are grieving over you, Ya Ibrahim. Full stop. Did he go into depression, not eating, not drinking, not mating? No, business as usual. This, alongside reading the seerah of the Prophet ﷺ, strengthens your iman beyond imagination, inshallah.